Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2020 Primal Attack Tarbosaurus Massive Biters figure. This one was released alongside Sarcosuchus, this guy up here, and it is quite spectacular to see another Tyrannosaur in the Jurassic World lineup. I think now we have 3 or 4. We have Tyrannosaurus, Albertosaurus, Tarbosaurus, and then Alioramus, and possibly, no, Proceratosaurus is more of an ancestor of Tyrannosaurs, I think. Anyways, so this figure, when I first saw it, I looked at the color and was like, that is Pteranodon from the Telltale game, Jurassic World's mobile, and I think it was for like PS as well, game. And when I saw that, I knew, oh, they're using it as kind of like, I guess, an Easter egg or something else to say, hey, look, it's the color. And because of that, I was under the impression that they wouldn't make a Pteranodon figure based on the Telltale game. If they ever did, it would be green, similar to the one in Jurassic World Live Tour. But recently, they leaked images of the new Pteranodon figure, and it sports the same paint job. So I'm absolutely blown away that they use this paint job as well as the actual Pteranodon color scheme, which is the same on that figure. So originally I was bummed out to see it in this color, but now I'm happy because, you know, the Pteranodon has this color, so this is a really awesome pick for this dinosaur. Really menacing with the reds and the blacks, and then a coating of gray. There's some really nice details on the head too. You can see that scales individually on there, and they have a really nice finish. Even the eyes have a black pupil, which is really nice, kind of a slit appearance. And from the front view, it really is a distinctive Tyrannosaur. But to set it apart from Tyrannosaurus Rex, of course, they added their own little flair to it. These black kind of spines. They're a little bit rubbery. Still pretty hard though. And this figure has some other interesting characteristics. The bottom jaw here has some teeth that jut up in a ray-like pattern. Originally I thought the head would go up and down when you turn the tail, but it's actually just the body that goes up and down. The head just rotates side to side, and of course chomps. Some other aspects are the obvious Tyrannosaur arms. You can turn them. They've got a ball joint and rotational piece to that. The legs too also rotate, so you can stand it however you want. Obviously the box art has that really nice sunset in the background, the plants, the reds and yellows, and on the back it shows you some features, the twisting action and whatnot. So let's get this sucker out of the package. Hopefully it's not held down by, I think it is, yep, it's held down by those feet things that stick into the feet. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take those out. I don't think this package has, usually they have like a push thing to get the feet things out. So I'm gonna try a new tactic where I spread this from the front, and it works. That's good. Minimal damage, hopefully, to the box, as I'm trying to keep the boxes pretty much intact, but you know, so I'm gonna fit my hand in there and just rotate these, and boom. Yeah, just a little creased. Okay, anyways, we've got the Tarbosaurus out of the package. And wow, look at that. Very bulky figure. Well, not very, it's somewhat in the middle. The legs don't have the usual spread that most do, but I think that's to accommodate for that action feature where it goes up and down to eat things. It's not actually that big of a dinosaur. It should be around the same size as Tyrannosaurus, because it's such a close relative. It just lives in Asia. It has a few differences as well. If you compare it to, say, here, I don't have any smaller figures down here, but the Stegosaurus, it's actually around the same size, a little bit smaller in height. So definitely smaller than, like, say, the dual attack or mega dual attack figures. So it's very interesting that they went that route size-wise, but I can see why. Of course, you don't want to steal the show from Tyrannosaurus. A lot of the larger dinosaurs in this lineup, like the biggest, the Spinosaurus, Rex, and Indominus, they're all like the main showstoppers, of course. But nonetheless, the sculpt is really amazing, as well as the fact that they made a Tarbosaurus. Besides that, there's not much else to the figure. The toenails aren't painted like most gray dinosaurs in the toy line. Obviously, they never really paint the nails either, but nonetheless, it's fine because, of course, they'd be gray anyways. And another feature as well on this figure is the rotational legs. Like, these go side to side. Oh, sorry. Like that. Good for playability and I guess poses, but rather than that, that's all the articulation the legs have besides up and down. So yeah, it's a pretty nice figure, and I'm really glad to have it in the collection now. Again, it's not available in Canada, but it is available on Amazon.ca, which is the Canadian Amazon. So any Canadian collectors out there who still don't have this piece in their collection, go check that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh! Before I go, scan code. That's what I was forgetting. I knew there was something else. So let's quickly grab this. I'll probably release the scan code in like an updated collection scan code video. So no worries there. I think that's good. Okay. Anyways, back to the what's it? What's the opposite of an intro? The exit? The outro? Anyways, back to that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.